Yo, what's going on? I'm gonna show you guys how to make homemade handcuff key. Got a pair of cuffs here, real as hell. You can see they're from Springfield. What is that? MA, whatever. But definitely real cuffs. Some type of number on there or something. I don't know where they came from, but I don't have a key for them, so I came up with my own set. Give you guys an idea of what you need. Check this out. So what I came up with is this right here. Now this right here, you can find pieces like this. Let's see if you get a better look at that. Around the house, things like that. But what you want to do is find some type of lip on the front end of a piece of metal with an indent inside of there so it could fit inside the chamber. And then all you would do is straight place it inside your hole there. And then, there we go. And twist. Your homemade handcuff key. You can actually feel it when you grab the lip. Cool thing about this is I got this one right here locked by pushing in that pin right there. Doesn't mean nothing if you make the key the right way. So what you would do is put it in, unlock it, and wham, there you go. Homemade cuff key. You can find these keys on your computer green boards. They're on the corners of them. Some of them are plastic. If you can see right here on this green board, computer board here, there's two clips on each end. Bam. Bam. There goes my cuff key. Reason being is that chamber right there with that little lip. You bend that back into a 45, which would be like so, and you got yourself a cuff key. Always a way. Y'all be easy.